welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy Slide Soot colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the content. Also, feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing shade store. So if you're looking to add some shade merch to your clothing wardrobe this upcoming season, be sure to head on over to that site after this video is done. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be taking a look at a new colorway that I've added to my Yeezy Slide collection, and this time it is in the Soot colorway. So we're going to talk about the overview of this color, then we're going to jump into size and fit. Be sure though, if you are looking for more in-depth size and fit, to check out my other videos I've done on Yeezy Slide sizing. And then we are going to talk about styling. This is a great colorway for the fall winter, so I was so excited to snag a pair of these, and I hope you like how I styled them. Then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. As you know, people have been going crazy for the slides, so these are definitely retaining much of a higher value price point than what they went for retail wise. All right. Let's jump into this. Obviously, this is going to be a quick overview. As we know, the most comfortable part of this shoe is what it's basically created out of, which is the EVA foam. This is by far one of my most worn shoes of the summertime. This is just such an easy throw-on silhouette that really is comfortable. I mean, wasn't the biggest fan at first, but I ordered 3 colors and I fell in love with them, and I just can't stop wearing these. I honestly wore out my resins that I had to invest in a new second pair, so I do have another pair waiting for me when these have to go into retirement. All right, so I would love to get a tally vote on what your favorite colorway of the slides is thus far. So we've got the pop and bright inflame colorway, which Hailey Bieber was even spotted wearing, and I think she styled these quite nicely. We also have the pure colorway, which I think is a nice clean base tone that's very monochromatic and just pretty much goes with so many different options. Then we have the resin colorway, which is a nice green color tone that is probably actually one of my favorite colors that I've worn the most. As you can see, I've already worn them out. I'm gonna have to retire these soon. Or are you in love with the soot? I also have another Yeezy Slide coming out. I was able to snag a pair of the green glow, so stay tuned for that unboxing and review. But I'm excited to add another green hue to the collection, just a little bit more of a brighter green, and it'll be quite interesting to see the difference between the resin and the green glows. I am obsessed with this new colorway. I love how dark chocolatey brown this color is. This is by far the darkest shade that they have released in the slide. So we haven't seen a black. This is kind of the closest color option you're going to get to that. And as I'm already kind of looking at my other colors, they've gotten quite dirty. So I'm very happy to add a darker, richer color to my slide collection. All right, so just a very simple layout. We've got the Adidas logo here, which I love that it's just very subtle. You don't really see any branding anywhere else. But this is just a nice, simple kind of slide that really slips on and off quite easily and is very comfortable to wear all day long. So let's take a look at the overview of the Soot chocolatey brown color scheme. All right, so let's talk about size and fit. So I do have a more proper sizing guide, but I will go through the gist of it. So I actually size down on this one. Again, the Yeezy Slides do not run in half sizing. So I am one of those individuals that does end up running into that half size point. So I'm a 7.5, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to grab a 7.5 pair, but I've decided between the size 8 and the size 7. 7 works way better for me. Again, I do have high arch, narrow feet. So for me, this worked perfectly by sizing half a size down. If you do have wider feet that are flatter, this could also differentiate a completely different size that works best for you. But my recommendation on this one, if you have a similar foot shape to myself, is to go half a size down, especially if you are in that half size range like myself in the 7.5 region. So these are in the size 7. All right, now let's talk about styling. So much fun styling these.
Everything looks so foggy. All of these smoke screens haunting, swirling around, showing no signs of stopping. Feeling so daunting. Don't run from the great unknown. It's okay to lose. Step into the haze.
So you let me know out of the 3 looks, what was your favorite, or how would you style this colorway in the slide?
For my tank low, cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls, and I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Cause you rise to the madness. In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they reaching out for me to give a hand. In a different city and my pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just try to get what she came for, and ain't nothing I got safe though. Cause when the money go wild, everybody get a piece, but it's looking like I ain't on the payroll. Got a big house made out of Play-Doh, and a plastic crown for my halo, but still a long way from my tank low. Cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls, and I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind, yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark, be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart.
Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So I paid $50 retail for the slides, and they are currently going between $110 to $215. But definitely, again, one of my favorite shoes I've worn pretty much all of summer, and I'm probably going to be transitioning into the fall with these bad boys as well, just with some thicker wool socks to keep my toes warm. But definitely highly recommend testing out a pair of these because they are ultra comfortable. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, thanks so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there that you are missing out on if you're not currently a member. Also, be sure to check out our merch store because we have some amazing shade gear on there. All right, that's it for this video. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next video.